At the SWAT base, everyone is checking their costumes and weapons.
These snipers are all broken. We need to fix it. Oh, yeah, I think so. The same thing happened with this grenade.
SWAT holds the gun,
I know.
feels it's pretty cool.
This gun is also broken. Yeah, I'm very worried about that. Alright, try to see what's left.
From afar, Dr. Lee's gang appears on a deserted road. They head to the SWAT base.
Alright, we need to buy new guns.
Unbeknownst to the SWAT side, everyone
so.
was still checking for weapons.
But we need a lot of money. Not so simple. Alright.
Alright, hey, fix it.
Yeah, okay.
Dr. Lee arrived at SWAT's base. He arranged his subordinates to attack. The juniors quickly split up to find a suitable raid location for themselves, as did Dr. Lee. Dr. Lee took out a heavy gun and aimed it at SWAT.
Alright, I think. Alright, you guys go on vacation. Okay, stay here.
The SWAT did not know
Yes,
that they were
rolling.
caught in the crosshairs. They still calmly split up to guard.
Alright, I'm on this side.
Alright, I'm going. Alright, you stay here. Let me go.
Okay.
Soldiers with sniper rifles aiming towards SWAT. The soldier carefully adjusted his scope. They look very detailed and meticulous. Dr. Lee also looked at the SWAT on the balcony. After a while of careful aiming, the soldier opened fire, neatly destroying a SWAT, then entered inside. A soldier also opened fire, injuring SWAT. He also quickly advanced.
Hey, sorry.
On the balcony, SWAT discovered suspicion. He ran to find his teammates.
Zack!
He ran down. One teammate collapsed and another was injured.
Son! Hey, son, are you okay?
Me.
Let's go.
The soldier entered the SWAT base and reunited with his comrades.
Alright, let's go. Okay.
He SWAT to help his teammates move, but he encountered a group of attacking soldiers and his teammates were destroyed. He responded angrily, killing a soldier.
Son!
SWAT uses a smoke boom to make the soldier lose sight. You attack him and he retreats. The SWAT killed the soldier. One from afar attacked him, causing him to run away injured. Seeing this, he immediately chased after him. The soldier met Dr. Lee. They chased SWAT. SWAT was covered up, causing them to lose track of a junction. Hide behind a tree. Watch a soldier carefully. Watching the soldier's every move, the SWAT decided to shoot and take down the soldier. SWAT moves towards the soldier, but Dr. Lee is already aiming at him. Dr. Lee opened fire, wounding SWAT and unable to stand up. Dr. Lee came forward, checked the surroundings, and then escorted him back.
Let up. Let's go.